Oh, it's flooded.
Okay, so I've spent a bit of time on the lathe, making up all of these parts. Got the skeg here, got the shaft. This is just a 19mm bright bar. Put a taper on it and welded a key. And broached this end so it'll fit on the shaft. And then I've got these collars and bits and pieces that will all go together. This is just a rundown on how this goes together. The spacer ring, this bearing is going to act as a thrust bearing. So it pushes on the outer race, that pushes on the inner race, and then this shaft pushes on there. So I folded this piece up at work. This is where the board is going to attach to and pivot. And I've drilled 2 holes in here where the whole motor unit can tip. So my dad gave me this old windsurfer board. It's probably about 20 or 30 years old. It's a little bit beaten up. He's had a few repairs. I think it's about 3 meters long, or about 10 footish, 11 foot maybe. He's showing the bottom of it. Pretty flat with a bit of a curve. I think it's kind of a high-speed board design. Dad reckons on the windsurfer he could get it up to about 60k. And it's got these old mounting screws for foot straps, so that's going to help me out with my mounting plate. So I folded this, cut this out and folded it up at work. Sit on here, just got to get the screw holes to line up. This is the cradle that holds the motor. I made these plastic bushes up at work. And this is the post that they're going to pivot on, which is going to go, this is stainless steel, underneath like that. I'll rivet it on to the bottom of that plate, screw this down and that whole lot will twist on the back. So I've been working on this thing for ages now. I've got it kind of mounted up. This here is what you're going to use to steer it. You can also control the tilt. But if you look down here how much it all moves, and when the motor's in there it's bad. So I'm going to have to do something about it. Okay, so I've been working away for ages at this now, and I've come up with this. Folded a piece of aluminium, welded it to the sides, and I'm going to have like wing nut type things on here. So you just undo those to get the motor on and off, and then bolt it on, and it's rigid now. Like the front of the board lifts up, so I'm happy. So it's all together. I siliconed everywhere that water can get in. I've hooked up this throttle off a brake lever off a bicycle, and yeah, it's a lot more rigid now. I can stand on it, steer it. So all that's left to do is test it. We're off to test the surfboard. My dad's here to help me out. The harbour's been really choppy lately, so I don't want to test it there because most likely the motor compartment will fill up with water. So I'm going to try it out in the river, but luckily my dad's here to help me so we can launch it. Okay. Alright, so we're over here setting up. Should you come in close, Dad? I'll show you how it's set up. So I'm just going to put this on this pin. It's easier said than done. Good news is the box looks like it floats, eh?
Yep.
And then this plate goes over top to hold it all together. And then you got to put these bolts in. Oh no, yeah, I thought this might happen. It's already in the water and it's not even started yet.
What do you mean?
The prop.
Oh, they took me out of it.
Nah, I'm just worried it might try and take off.
Put it up on your board.
Good to go.
You never know, you might get lucky.
Yeah. You know, just actually hold that and I don't think it's going to go away.
No, let's take it back and clean it. You see that?
It just went over top of it, eh?
Yeah, big bow, big wave went right over top.
Well, at least we know it doesn't work.
You can get around it.
How?
You have to put a big plate, splash plate over top.
If I was further forward, would it still do that? It didn't matter, eh? The faster I went, the bigger the wave came.
Yeah. Just pushed a massive big wave. Yeah.
Righto, so that was a bit of a failure. It pushed the boat along alright, it steered good, but as you can see it just filled up with water. My dad reckons that it's something to do with water coming up the sides of the board and getting past this triangle bit. But if anyone's got any ideas, leave an idea in the comments. So until next time, see you later, thanks for watching.